Gently close your eyes and begin to take deep breaths. Relax your shoulders and straighten your spine. With every inhale and exhale, let go of the countless thoughts and impulses that have pulled you back and forth throughout the day. Up until now, we have kept the engine of the mind running restlessly, either to gain something or to avoid pain. Giving a warm embrace to all that labor and fatigue, we now enter the stillness of the here and now. Now, bring to mind a subtle impulse arising within you. It could be the urge to habitually check your phone, the desire to chase a familiar pleasure, or the spark of anger towards someone. In Buddhism, this is called sankhara, your volitional formations, or the action of your will. This will does not arise by chance. Past experiences whisper to you, "This will make you feel better," or "You must do this to be safe," pushing your will in a certain direction. Each time you act on that impulse, a deeper valley is carved into your brain. With every reaction, that path becomes wider and more solid. This is what psychology refers to as reinforcement. Reinforcement is the property of the mind that remembers the reward following an action and repeats that behavior more strongly the next time. You may have believed you were choosing freely, but in reality, you were merely walking mechanically along a reinforced path, paved by the past. Observe this repeating cycle through the eyes of a third party. There is no need to criticize yourself. It is enough to simply realize, my mind was bound by these chains, walking a reinforced path. The power of reinforcement is only strong when you react unconsciously. Now, when a stimulus arrives and the habitual will rears its head, do not react immediately. Instead, stay within the brief gap between the stimulus and the response. Simply observe, without feeding the habit the reward it craves. When you stop reacting, the power of reinforcement that once constricted you begins to wither. A fire that is not fed will eventually go out. This moment of silent stillness is your only gateway to freedom from the past. In the space where the chains of habit have loosened, you now fill the void with true wisdom. You awaken as a dignified being, capable of making the most valuable choice in this moment, rather than a creature dragged by the inertia of the past. You are no longer a mere product of your past. You are the master who creates yourself anew through the conscious will of the present. Take another deep breath. As you exhale, send away the energy of the old habits that once bound you. Your mind is now empty, yet filled with a serene peace where anything can begin anew. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. You are now the master of a new will, ready to live your daily life differently. Your footsteps will no longer follow the path made by the past, but the path you choose yourself.